Congratulations on your purchase of the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker. Here, we will show you how to use the electrical component in your new appliance. Note, not all models have this feature. The electrical heating element can be used in place of charcoal in the base. The electrical heating element should be used only with the grill slow cooker combo configuration. When using the electrical heating element, the square hole in the base should face the back of the appliance so that the power cord can come out of the back of the appliance. Never use charcoal in the base or tray when using the electrical heating element. Always clean charcoal, ash, or debris from the base before using the electrical heating element. To install the electrical heating element, place the electrical heating element in the tray. Use the brackets in the tray to align the electrical heating element's power cord connection point with the hole in the back of the base tray. Screw the electrical heating element into place with the 2 screws on either side of the power cord connection point. Plug the power cord into the connection point and then into an electrical outlet. Turn the dial to adjust the heat. Uninstalling the electrical heating element is just as easy. Unplug the power cord from the electrical heating element's power cord connection point. Let the electrical heating element cool for at least 30 minutes after use before uninstalling the electrical heating element. Remove the 2 screws on each side of the power cord connection point. Remove the electrical heating element from the base. Clean the inside of the base and tray to remove any grease or debris that may have accumulated during use. For more information on the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker, subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/EmerilEveryday.